So right now, please welcome for the next team, Ecosus from Germany. He's going to talk about biostimulate.
Hello, I'm Martin and I'm representing Ecosus here today. How important is this to you? Healthy, fresh and well-tasting food. Very important. We are seeing a lot of decline in arable land these days. Problem is the fertilizer industry and the pesticide industry has helped to deplete soil at a massive rate. It's certainly helped a lot with erosion that we're seeing everywhere. And of course, climate change also doesn't help the agri industry with its yields. Additionally, for the agriculture companies that are looking into livestock, they are starting to run out of chemicals, antibiotics, to keep their livestock healthy. So it's a big problem. Actually, the world population is increasing rapidly, and we're losing 1 hectare of arable land every 7 minutes. 1 hectare every 7 minutes. So at Ecosus, we have developed a solution to deal with these problems. It's an economical, viable solution and a sustainable solution to deal with these problems. We have developed a technology called MCE. It stands for Metabolism, Catalyzing and Enhancing Technology. Our product comes in pellets in different sizes, or it comes in powder form. It substantially increases yield in agriculture. It is able to turn non-fertile soil into fertile soil, and it also helps with animal health. So if you look at what we do, we concentrate on 3 areas, specifically plants. Our product helps with stress tolerance and efficiency in the nutritions that go into plants. We focus on soil. Soil fertility is very important, and decontamination, difficult word, but very important, decontaminating soil. And the 3rd area that we concentrate on is animal health. Basically the reduction of using antibiotics. This is one of our products called Ecosus Metastim. We are using that, for example, with potatoes. So by applying Metastim in potato fields, the tubers themselves all have approximately the same size. The yield is substantially greater, approximately 25%, yeah? And the taste is much better than the same product on a field that doesn't use Metastim. After applying the product, the farmer is actually left with a 14% increase in profits, considering the cost of the product. Here's an example where we use our Ecosus SFC soil fertility compound. We've used that, for example, in the Middle East to turn desert into arable land in a place called Oman, for example. Our product is being used in China to turn soil that's non-fertile into fertile soil and actually bind heavy metals and chemicals. We use Ecosus GIC mineral in piglets from 0 days to 50 days. It basically helps with the health of the gut of the piglet, so you can use less or no antibiotics at all. This is a new product that we've developed. It's called Ecosus Germinator. It encapsulates the seeds and ensures that you get 100% germination from your seeds. This is our team. We're split across Germany and Asia. And this is our market. It's a market that grows at 12 to 14% annually. And by 2020, the biostimulant market will be approximately $3 billion worldwide.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yep.
And next for Q&A session.
5 minutes is short, so I hope I can answer some of the questions that are going to come.
So Ecosus has 3 products.
That's correct.
Okay.
And we're developing a 4th, which is the Germinator.
Okay, which of the 3 has more revenues and which is the best one?
How
much money are you making?
They're all very good, but if you would ask me right now, MetaStim is the product that we're selling the most in Germany right now. It's basically being used in plants and tubers in areas where you need to stimulate root growth, plant growth, and obviously get bigger, better, tastier products to market.
And how much are you selling?
Excuse me?
How is your traction? What about your revenues, clients?
So we have a factory right now that has a capacity of 150 tons annually. We're selling right now 50 tons and we're targeting 100 tons this year. 100 tons.
How many clients?
We've done so far 26 specific projects all around the world, Middle East, predominantly in Europe. A lot of these projects were with universities, so we actually get the data certified so we can differentiate our product from other biostimulants that pretend that there is a enhancement but don't really have the scientific proof.
Hi, so what is this Ecosus made of? Is it made of microorganisms?
Yes, microorganisms are important, fungi. There's about 800 trace elements that we use. Activated charcoal is a core product that obviously maintains moisture and maintains the nutrients. And then there are some other minerals in there like leonardite, etc.
So you know the specific strains of bacteria and fungi as well, and you know why each of them acts in certain ways.
That is correct. Our scientists in Germany will actually quite often work with our clients to develop a specific formula. Let's say, for example, here in Asia, you may have issues with stem rot on palm oil trees, or you may have issues with specific pests on rubber trees, etc. So we can develop a specific formula, encapsulate that in our pellets that targets these specific issues. In fact, here for Asia, we are developing a lower cost Ecosus using rice husk as one of the base products that allows us to go after larger crops, for example, rice. If we were to use the product as it is today with rice, the financials probably wouldn't make too much sense. But we have raw material like copra and rice husk here in Asia that we can use to develop an Asia-specific product.
One last question.
Yes.
If you are introducing these external species to different countries, what
Yep.
do you think about the environmental causes?
Yeah, look, I mean, we have worked closely with the AVA in Singapore, and we have received a code from them, and they have obviously a good understanding of what we're bringing in, what the ingredients are, what our formula is, what our technology consists of. And typically here in Asia, if the AVA allows a product to be used in Singapore, then we can also get it into other countries in Asia. But it's a very important question.
Back to Rocio's question. So when she asked about the best performing product, and you said that it had 26 projects, but what is the revenue you're generating per year?
Yeah, so at the moment we're sitting at around 100K US dollars. We have predominantly worked on project. We have obviously a client base now, so people who have used Ecosus come back to us continuously. But it's a no-brainer for them. But we have done different projects, for example, for reed beds in the Middle East, germination of reed beds for water treatment. We have done specific trees that were dying and were national monuments in Germany that we were able to restore. So we've proven the technology on different, in different scenarios. And that's really helped us with the name in Europe, in Germany.
Thank you very much. It's time up. Thank you. That was awesome.